Welcome friends to a new video. In this video we will be discussing about a chart pattern named symmetrical triangle. We will be discussing what is symmetrical triangle, how it is formed, when to take a trade, when to take a long trade or when to take a short trade. So yes, in front of us is a chart pattern. This is a symmetrical triangle pattern. Now what happens if the stock is on the downtrend or if the stock is on the uptrend. The uptrend structure is higher highs and higher lows, but the downtrend structure is lower highs and lower lows. After the uptrend or after downtrend, we see a consolidation. So here the consolidation is a bit different. What happens? First there were higher highs or higher lows, whatever the structure was. Now we get the higher lows. Now we get the higher lows and we are getting the lower highs. We are getting higher lows makes a ascending trend line and lower highs make a descending trend line. So we have the consolidation in a narrow range and the range is becoming too narrow in a triangle structure. So what happens, either the trend line or the price breaks on the upside or the price breaks down on the downside. Now how to take a trade? If it breaks out on the upside, we can take a long trade. If it breaks down on the downside, we can take a short trade. So yes, how to take it? Yes, we have the basic bullish structure. What happens? The stock price was moving on the upside. Now it's a narrow range known as the symmetrical triangle, and now we got a breakout. This is the breakout on the upside, and after the breakout there is a small retest also. So yes, we can enter here, buy here, keeping the stop loss on the downside. So yes, this was the basic bullish symmetrical triangle. Now we have the bearish symmetrical triangle also. You can see what is a bearish symmetrical triangle. The stock price was on a narrow range forming a symmetrical triangle. Now after that range, the range break down on the downside. The price breakdown on the downside. After getting a confirmation of breakdown, we can enter our trade here, keeping the stop loss on the upside. Now let's look upon it on taking a practical example. We will take examples of doing a swing trade, looking into 1 hour chart, and also we will check 1 minute charts for intraday basis. So yes, everybody can see we have the chart of SBI and SBI Bank in front of us on a 1 hour time frame. We use 1 hour time frame basically for swing trades. So we can see that the stock price was moving on the upside, and after that we got a narrow consolidation. The highs were on the low side, you can see, forming a descending trend line, and the lows were on the upside making the ascending trend line. So yes, this is the perfect ascending triangle, or call it as a symmetrical triangle structure. So what happened? The price made a breakout here and gave a retest. So after the retest, this was the perfect time to enter. If you want to long the trade, you could have entered all here, keeping the stop loss below this lower trend line. So yes, we can take our risk reward ratio up to 1:2 or even 1:3, which got achieved. So yes, I think you got an idea how to take a swing trade on the basis of symmetrical triangle. So yes, now we look upon the chart of Bank Nifty. Yes, on a 1 minute time frame. So yes, what happened in Bank Nifty on 19th of May? You can see that, yes, I already made this. This was the 1 minute time frame. You can see the pattern. On the 1 minute time frame, the lows were on the downside. First the stock moved, Bank Nifty moved on the upside. Now it's a narrow consolidation, higher lows and lower highs, and after that it gave a breakout, and yes, this was a retest. You can see this was a breakdown and this was a retest, and this was the perfect time to short the Bank Nifty, keeping the stop loss on the upper side of the upper trend line. So yes, we shorted here, and yes, we can see we can keep our risk reward ratio 1:2 or 1:3 also, whichever is favorable. So yes, I hope you got an idea how to what is symmetrical triangle, how to take trades on that basis. If you want to learn more, you can join our Telegram channel, link is in description. Or if you want to learn technical analysis and do stock analysis, you can also text us on WhatsApp. And you please like the video if you liked it, and yes, do put a comment on the comment section that which video should I make next in the stock you want me to analyze. And thank you so much for watching.